Draper socket sets are manufactured from high quality steel and are correctly hardened and tempered. We test all ratchets and sockets in our own QA department to ensure compliance with the relevant standards. Each kit contains a carefully selected range of accessories, enabling you to easily tackle the job in hand. These sets are available in many different assortments and sizes, and with the square drive that suits your application, whether you are a DIY enthusiast or professional user. All Draper socket sets are fully guaranteed against faulty workmanship and materials for life.